Little update on the GMC Acadia. I got it back, but as you see, no engine or transmission for that matter. Oh, what a disaster. My mechanic friend was working on this for me. We're just going to do timing change because that's what we thought it was, and then when he started tearing this thing apart, he found out that they really hadn't changed the oil. Anyway, long story short, it had some slip bearings and some other problems, so we ended up doing a total rebuild on it. He was putting it all back together, and he got to the point of putting the cams in, and I know they don't look like it right now, they're all rusty, but these are brand new cams. These pieces go right here, and unfortunately they don't fit because either these are too big, machined improperly, or I suppose it's hypothetically possible that although these are the correct cams, perhaps this engine is a different year. I don't know if there's any kind of identification on it. However, it's supposed to be a 2011 engine, 2011 cams. There weren't any other part choices, or just one, but they don't fit, and as you can see, a little piece broke off of that one and off of that one too, just a little bit there. So I feel like maybe these are reusable if we get the right cams. But anyway, he brought it back to me. He basically gave up, washed his hands, and so now I'm stuck with this. Do I rebuild it? Do I sell it as is and just take a loss? I don't know, but part of me wants to try to rebuild this. I've got a son turning 15 here in a few months, and this might be a good starter car for him. Here at 15, you get your learner's permit at least. So once we found out about the cams, I ended up suing the retailer, and of course they whined and complained and said, no, you should sue General Motors. Anyway, long story short, we ended up with a out-of-court settlement. Not the greatest thing, but to just go on and on and on and on, it was just really kind of annoying. And I can still sue General Motors, so I may end up doing that. The only thing that would stop me from doing that is if somehow I figure out that this engine is a different model year, and that because of that the cams are a different model year. But like I said, it came out of the 2011. These are cams for 2011. So as far as I know, it's a 2011 engine, and I have not found any kind of identifying marks on it that would give you any indication. There's that sticker there, but I didn't find a VIN or anything like that. If there is one and you know where it is, please let me know, because that could fix a lot of problems if we figured out it was just a different year. And as you've seen in prior videos, the engine was running in the vehicle. It just was pinging real bad. 20/20 hindsight, I probably should have just sold it as is, and whatever happened happened. But now I'm stuck with, I'm gonna have to put it back in the vehicle, and for me that'll be a first. So wish me luck. And then I still have all the timing chains and parts brand new in the packages there. And let me tell you, doing the timing on this thing is a nightmare, because there's 3 timing chains and supposedly a whole bunch of different ways that it can get screwed up.